Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be really exciting video because I placed an order on fashionphile.com and I just received my package, which I kind of opened up a little bit, but I didn't look inside at all. As you can see, it looks all pretty in here. So you guys, before the New Year's Eve Fashionphile, I've got an email from Fashionphile for 10% off. I think it was discounted items like 20% and up. And you know, I search them every once in a while. I'll kind of go and look, you know, just to see what they have. And I came across this bag that I just could not take my eyes off and my mind off. And I just, you know, I just pulled the trigger and I just purchased it. It is a Chanel bag, so that's what I'm gonna tell you. And it is brand spanking new. At least that's what the description said on the website. Let's hope it is. They said it comes with tags and all of that jazz. So anyway, here is the box, the beautiful Fashionphile box. There we go. So I'm just gonna see what's what do they have in here. I guess there's some kind of a card. It says, wishing you peace, love, and handbags. Your friends at Fashionphile. That's pretty sweet. Alright, so this was on top. Alright, and then you have a little thank you card, which they always kind of include in their packaging. The next thing I have, I assume this is the receipt. Let me just take a look at inside, but it's probably all the paperwork. Yeah, there is a receipt and all those things, so let's just keep it private. Okay, and every time you receive a package from Fashionphile, you know there's some colorful kind of confetti-like, you know, paper in it right here. So I'm gonna take this out. Okay, and here it is, guys. It says used is the new, but in this case I hope it's the new as they promised, so let's check it out. Alright, so here's the paper. Let's just open this up together. And this particular bag was supposed to come with a box, and I can tell there is a box underneath. There we go. Woohoo, look at this. It says Chanel right here. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, so there is a Fashionphile dust bag. Oh, there's one underneath as well. I guess this is the, okay, let's take a look. So this is the original dust bag, and I guess this is some kind of, yeah, this is the tag that came with. And oh, there's also a booklet. Let me check it out first. I didn't expect this. I guess it is a brand new bag. If they look, they didn't even open this up. This is like straight from the store. I assume this is like a little care booklet. Yes, it is. So it has a little polishing cloth. This is what it came. This is what I got with my jumbo when I purchased my double flap jumbo. This is exactly what I've got. This little polishing cloth, which actually comes pretty handy. You know, you can kind of wipe your bags if you wish. And there is some information in here. All right. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Okay, I've got ta-da! Oh my god, it looks so beautiful, you guys. This is like, oh my god, that color is, I think it looks pretty true, to be honest with you. It's like, it's very red. It's a kind of orangey red a little bit. It is so beautiful, and has a Mademoiselle lock right here, and it is a silver hardware, and it even has the protective fleece. This is unbelievable. I'm so Wow, I'm so amazed. So this is the inside of the bag. It's all lined with beautiful red leather. There is a chain. Let me show you inside. This is gorgeous, you guys. It smells so good. There's a little slip pocket. I assume this is the authenticity card. Yes, this is the authenticity card right here. And there we go. And this bag was supposedly made in 2014. So it is 3 years old bag, but it says that it's brand new. And you know, to be honest with you guys, it looks completely new. What do you think, guys? This is so beautiful. It has quite a generous packet right here in the back, and obviously this is the chain. You know, so this is like a nice kind of evening bag. It's not small. This is the 11 inches long. The description says it's 11 inches long, I believe, by 7.5. So it's pretty, you know, pretty large bag. It's just not very thick. It's about 2 inches here, and I love the generous pocket. And oh my god, you can put easily a full-size wallet in here. Phone and like even small, probably mini pochette will fit. I think it would be even perfect, like, you know, everyday bag, but obviously red is not my everyday color. But I really wanted to kind of use it for you know, for like, I don't know, like, you know, Sundays or special events or whatever you kind of go out. This is so beautiful, and of course comes with a Fashionphile tags. So once I cut those tags, the bag belongs to me. So what do you guys think? Isn't that awesome? Ah, I'm so happy. And I pretty much got this bag for half a price. So with my discounts and everything, beautiful. I'm so happy. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. This is my unboxing, and this is my first bag of 2018. I'm so happy I got this. And you know, the spring hopefully will come soon, and summer, and I think I can you know, I can have a lot of wear out of this bag. I was originally thinking to get some kind of red bag from Louis Vuitton, but you know, once I saw this, I was sold. That's it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I try to put as many videos a week as I can, and hopefully you enjoy all of them, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.